How to enable disabled apps on Samsung. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable disabled apps on Samsung. Now the process is very simple, so do follow along. Step 1 is to open up settings on your device. You will find different options over here. Scroll down and find the option of apps. Once you tap on this, a list of all the applications installed on your device will be shown. Now, to filter out the disabled apps, you can tap on this filter icon over here. Now, you want to tap on the disabled option over here, then tap on the OK option. Now, only the disabled apps will be shown over here. If you want to enable it, simply go ahead and tap on the app that you want to enable. Here, I'm going to select Netflix. As you can see, Netflix is currently disabled on my device. So in order to enable it, you want to tap on the enable option at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once you tap on the enable option, as you can see, it has been successfully enabled. You want to make sure that you're using the latest version of this app, so you can go ahead in your Play Store and then update this app as well. But this is how you can enable the disabled apps on Samsung, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.